Bean, what'd you get today? Bean. What is that? What'd you get today? Look! Rest in peace, bird. You're going down. Right, Bean? Can I have it? Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Nice butt shot. Thank you. That's what you think of me after buying you that toy. There's nothing else left in the bag for you. Bean, it's not for you. What'd you get? And this is why I can't buy a new couch. Because Bean's got to have his daily roll. Bean! Say hi! Say hi! Bean! Say hi! What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Say hi! Who is that? What is that? Who is it? Who's this handsome? Ooh. Yes? Bean, come here! Oh, that's the attention span of my doggy. To be continued.